How to go live on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can go live on TikTok, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to go live on TikTok, what you have to do is go ahead and then open the TikTok application. Then just tap on the plus icon which is at the bottom of the screen over here. Then once you tap on the plus icon over here, right over here you'll see camera, story, and you can see templates. But here you'll also be able to find the option called live. Now if you don't find the option called live, it is only due to one reason, and that is due to your follower count. Instagram has a limitation or a specific eligibility routine as to how much people can actually go live on TikTok, and that is that you need to have over 1000 plus followers. So when you have over 1000 followers, which in my case you can see I don't meet the minimum requirement, you will be able to successfully go live on TikTok by just tapping on the plus icon. Now even if you have the 1000 followers and you're not being able to find it, then you might as well try switching to a creator account. So you can go to settings and privacy, and you can go to, let's say, account, and then you can go to switch to professional account or what you think is convenient for you. You can switch to business account or anything and see if that solves the problem. But basically, to go live on TikTok, you need to have over 1000 plus followers. Only then you'll be able to find the live button. Hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.